If you thought that only the experts can make foundation, think again. Hi, I'm Gabriela, and today I want to show you how simple it is to make foundation at home. Now, the majority of women wear foundation on a regular basis. That's every day, and they start as early as 10 years old. Can you imagine every day you put something on your face? What is it? What does it contain? Well, if you make your own foundation at home, you know exactly what you put inside. This is going to be the very popular mineral foundation. Shea butter, nourishing and moisturizing for skin. Jojoba oil, antibacterial, anti-inflammatory and soothing for irritated skin. Contains vitamin A and E that can control acne. Geranium essential oil promotes beautiful and radiant skin, and the sweet smell will get you in a good mood. Non-nano zinc oxide, it's a mineral, it's a white powder that is used in skincare treatments and sun protection. This is going to be the base for the mineral foundation. Yellow iron oxide, it's a natural occurring mineral known to be safe, gentle and non-toxic on the skin, and this is going to give the skin color. Red iron oxide, and this is going to add the pink shade. And the tools you need are precision balance, mortar and pestle, and some measuring tools, a small spatula, and a bowl to put above hot water to melt the butter. Interested to know where I buy the ingredients? Check the description box below and you'll see where I buy them from. Add for melting 2.5 grams of shea butter approximately and 4.5 grams of jojoba oil. If you want your mineral foundation to be thicker, add more shea butter. If you want it runnier, add more jojoba oil. In a separate bowl, add approximately 3.6 grams of zinc oxide. Then you need to add your yellow iron oxide, and it really depends on your skin color. Start by adding less and then add more as you need. Then you add the red iron oxide, where you definitely need to add much less than the yellow iron oxide. Then you add everything in a bowl and start blending them. You do have to have a little bit of patience with yourself and to know your skin. Always start with your zinc oxide base and then slowly add the yellow iron oxide and the red to match your color. If you need to add more red iron oxide, just go ahead and add more. You can also get brown iron oxide and add it to give it the shade you desire. Add your melted oils and stir everything together. Add about 5 drops of geranium essential oil. Add to your container and you're done. That's it for now. Thanks so much for watching. If you're interested to see more of homemade, check out the channel on the links. and see you in the next video.